Christmas flooding in the Philippines has left 51 dead and more than a dozen missing, with thousands still stuck in emergency shelters following the shear line system that brought heavy rainfall, strong winds and widespread floods on the 18th through to the 30th of December across 10 regions of the Philippines. 19 are still missing, 16 have been injured, and additionally almost 50,000 people are still displaced, with most of them evacuated into 78 evacuation centres. Approximately 600,000 people were affected. The Northern Mindanao region bore the brunt of the disaster, reporting 25 deaths according to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. Most of the deaths were from drowning and landslides, and among the missing were fishermen whose boats capsized. Floods have subsided in most parts, but over 4,500 houses were damaged by the floods, along with roads and bridges, with some areas still struggling with disrupted power and water supply. But what is wind shear? Wind shear describes how the wind changes speed and or direction with height. For example, when a powerful jet stream shifts overhead, wind speeds from the surface to jet stream level can increase by over 100 miles per hour. Wind shear is important to severe thunderstorm forecasting because if it becomes strong enough, it can tilt a storm's updraft in such a manner that the updraft and downdraft remain separate from one another. The image here shows two storms, one in a very weakly sheared environment on the left and another in a very strongly sheared environment on the right. The storm experiencing little or no wind shear will produce a vertical updraft, which will quickly get killed off by the falling rain. On the other hand, the storm experiencing strong wind shear will develop a tilted updraft, with the rain falling away from the updraft. For these reasons, strong wind shear is a chief indicator of long-lived and potentially severe thunderstorms, as we've seen here. You've been watching Disaster Relay. Like and subscribe for more content.